Hi, this is Mr. Miller. We have been working on a study guide because we have a test coming up this coming Wednesday. We've spent 3 days on it so far, and we'll have one more day on Monday to work on it. Your student can find the study guide in the Unit 3 folder right here. And the third item down is the study guide. So when they click on that study guide, or when he or she clicks on that study guide, it'll open up. It'll look a little different than what I just showed you there, but he or she should know how to get into the study guide. And there are a few features that work best when you make it slideshow mode. So if you just click on slideshow mode here, I'm going to do it a little differently so it shows up nicely for the video. But when it's in slideshow mode like this, one feature is there is a speaker in the corner that your student can click on and listen to the slide. Another benefit is that some of the slides, in order to get them done, you need to click on a link like this one right here, and the link will open easier if the presentation's in slideshow mode. But the main point of this is just to work through and review some topics. There's a total of 15 slides that need to be completed that look like this. They don't all look like this, but several of them do. Others look like this. And then the last few application look like this. So there's not a crazy amount of slides, but those will help them to prepare for the test. To fill the slides out back here in the Unit 3 folder, right below where the study guide was, is a folder called Study Guide Resources. And probably the best resource is the Unit 3 Frayer help text. I actually have it in a couple other languages too, but click on the Unit 3 Frayer help text, and then everything here is organized by the main topics like energy transfer, waves, amplitude, electric force, and thermal energy, and is listed in a series of bullet points with emojis. So that's a great way to skim and scan and find many of the answers. There's also a PDF with information from the background video, so it summarizes that, or your child could just watch the background video. Another really cool resource that is available is a podcast of the content. So if your student clicks on the podcast here, he or she can just listen to the content because I've uploaded it, and that'd be a great way to review. It's actually a really interesting podcast. There are also labs that we did, and there's a lab video for each one. So if that would be a help, lab video 1, 2, and 3 are right here, and your child can check that out as well. But honestly, most of the information should be available right here in the Unit 3 Frayer help text, or the background video summary, or it'll be right in the slide. Like I mentioned before, there's a few links. This link and this link. So it would be really good to have as much of this done as possible, but at least 12 of the slides done. Getting these done would be a big help in preparing for the test that will be on Wednesday. And that test will be worth 100 points, so it's a really important test. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to let me know. I would be more than happy to assist you. And thanks for your help.